In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Mailchimp account. Whether you're scaling down or just need fewer features than your current plan offers, this step-by-step guide will help you navigate the process with ease. Let's start from your Mailchimp homepage. First, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're at the homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. Next, from the drop-down, you'll want to click on the option that says Profile. This will take you to the settings page dedicated to your personal and account information. It's important to be in the correct section to ensure that you can manage the plans associated with your account effectively. Once you're on your profile page, you'll notice several tabs and sections available. Here, your focus should be on finding the option labeled Shop New Plans. Click on it to proceed. This is a pivotal step because it's your gateway to exploring the different plans Mailchimp has to offer. In the Shop New Plans section, you'll have the freedom to either upgrade or downgrade your current plan. The key here is to choose the option that best suits your needs. If you're looking to downgrade, carefully review the available plans and select the one that fits your current usage or budget requirements. Remember, downgrading might mean losing access to certain features, so be sure to double-check what each plan offers before making your decision. And that's it. Once you've selected the new plan that matches your requirements, you'll have successfully downgraded your Mailchimp account. It's worth noting that changes to your plan might not take effect immediately, so be on the lookout for any confirmation messages or emails from Mailchimp about your updated account status. I hope this guide has been helpful and has simplified what might otherwise seem like a daunting process. If you run into any trouble or have additional questions, Mailchimp's customer support is just a click away, offering detailed assistance for all account-related inquiries. Thank you for joining me in this straightforward tutorial on how to downgrade your Mailchimp account. Don't forget to check out other videos on our channel for more helpful tips and guides. Until next time, take care and happy emailing.